Hi there, Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group, your Santa Clara area specialist, and I want to welcome you to 3175 Temple Court in beautiful Killarney Farms, Santa Clara. This beautifully maintained Killarney Farms home features two separate living areas, a lush landscape backyard, and modern updates throughout. The home offers a wonderful floor plan with 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 modernized bathrooms. Both living areas include recessed lighting and large patio doors leading to the backyard. The remodeled kitchen is complete with custom frameless cabinetry, granite countertops, top brand stainless steel fridge, cooktop and dishwasher, and this bright large skylight. Bedrooms feature cedar floors and closets and closet organizers. The master bedroom suite features a walk-in closet, a large window overlooking the backyard, and a spacious ensuite bath with custom vanity and 2-person shower stall, glass enclosure, and dual shower heads. The landscape backyard is complete with spa, artificial turf, and flagstone patio. Other features include finished garage with built-in shelving and epoxy floor, dual pane windows, central heat and AC, raised panel doors, and an upgraded 200 amp service, as well as copper plumbing, and a newer roof that was installed just in 2018. Hey, thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of 3175 Temple Court. If you've got any questions about this property or would like to set up a private showing, you can contact me directly at 408-582-3272. For more information on this property or to access the virtual tour, you can find it online at 3175temple.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.